In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a passkey for your Yahoo account, a simple and secure way to manage your account access. Let's dive right in and make this process easy and effortless for you. First, make sure you're signed into your Yahoo account on a compatible device. This could be your mobile phone, your laptop, or any other computer as long as it can connect to the internet and access Yahoo services. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and enter your login details on the Yahoo website or app interface. Once you're logged in, you'll need to find your way to the Yahoo security page. This page is essential as it's where you'll manage your account security settings. Now, to reach the Yahoo security page, start by locating your profile icon. This typically appears in the top corner of your screen, whether you're on a computer or a phone. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu. Look for an option labeled either Account Info or Security and select it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your account security. Once you're on the security page, keep an eye out for an option that says Create Passkey. This option is key to setting up an easier, more secure way to log into your account without remembering a password. Click on Create Passkey and you'll be guided through the next steps to set it up on your device. You'll have several passkey options available depending on your device's capabilities. If your device supports biometrics, you might choose a fingerprint or Face ID. Alternatively, you can select a PIN. Think carefully about what will be most convenient and secure for your situation. For those using a fingerprint or Face ID, simply follow the prompts on your device to register your biometrics. If you opt for a PIN, ensure it's something memorable yet secure. After you select your preferred passkey option, continue following the instructions provided by your device and browser. These could include placing your finger on the scanner, positioning your face for a facial recognition scan, or entering your PIN twice to confirm it. It's important to carefully follow these steps as they ensure your passkey is set up correctly. Once you've completed these steps, you should see a confirmation message on your screen, letting you know the process is complete. Congratulations, you've now added an extra layer of security to your Yahoo account with a passkey. This makes it not only easier to log in, but also enhances your account's protection. As always, if you encounter any issues or have questions, Yahoo support is just a click away to help you out. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.